morning, everyone. You're watching Breaking News in Focus with me, Lulu Anakazakova. I will present the latest news and provide reliable, up-to-date information. Today's news is about restoration efforts in Puri Lake. The local government has resumed its efforts to prevent flooding by dredging Lake Puri, which is located in the middle of a residential area. The lake was first dredged in 2005 to drain water from the surrounding area. It didn't exist in 2000. The site was dredged again in June 2018 as part of the KGV project, which was designed to absorb and store water. In early October 2025, dredging operations resumed. Heavy equipment was used to remove the sediment that had accumulated at the bottom of the lake. In addition to sedimentation, the lake surface was covered with rapidly growing water hyacinths, which could block water flow. This condition was exacerbated by the waste dumped directly into the lake by residents, ranging from plastic and food scraps to other household waste. Residents also complained about the unpleasant smell of the water, which they attributed to waste from Tempe factories in the area. According to sources, the lake was clean because it was filled with trash and water hyacinth, which could potentially cause flooding during the rainy season by overflowing the water. The local government carried out this cleanup in response to residents' complaints. It should be noted that this initiative was carried out as a part of a government program, so there was no financial burden. The source stated that cleaning Lake Puri was a priority because it served as a temporary reservoir for rainwater. If the lake is not clean, the water could overflow and flood the residential areas. Viewers, the dredging of Puri Lake has now been completed. To find out the latest condition after the dredging, we join our reporter Alif Akmal Rifada, who is already at the location.
Alright, thank you Lulu. Good morning viewers, I am Alif Akmal Rifada. The Lake Puri is so much cleaner now. The lake shoreline is now clean and free of trash and water hyacinth, which had been blocking the water flow. However, you can still see household trash on the surface of the water. To learn about how residents feel about this, I interviewed one of the people living near the lake. Alright, now I am with Mr. Samsuri, and the first question, in your opinion, sir, why is there so much rubbish piling up in the lake?
Karena berdekatan dengan pasar. Pasar itu terkenal dengan namanya kotor dan tidak didisiplinan para pedagang, para masyarakat. Semua di situ jadi satu tumpuk di danau. Danaunya memang nggak begitu besar, tapi kan jumlah kapasitas sampah dan lainnya jadi penuh. Sehingga apabila lagi ada oceng gondok, macet jalan airnya gitu ya. Nah, terus?
Yes, for the second, how do you feel when you see a lake with so much trash?
Sangat sungingkan karena di situ banyak berbagai sampah, tentunya mengganggu kesehatan, lingkungan. Begitu banyak segala sampah ada di situ sehingga mengganggu kesehatan bagi lingkungan masyarakat sekitarnya.
Yes. For the last question, in your opinion, what should be done to prevent incident like this from happening again?
Solusi ya?
Yes.
Solusinya adalah setiap orang mempunyai disiplin. Misalkan kita membuang sampah atau membakar sampah pada tempatnya. Tidak membuang sampah bukan pada tempatnya, akhirnya kan di situ kotor, menjijikan. Maka untuk itu sekali lagi adanya kita harus disiplin diri dulu untuk diri kita sendiri. Yes. Itu solusinya. Terima kasih.
Thank you. That's the report from Lake Puri. Residents hope that the cleanliness of the lake can continue to be maintained together, so that lake's function as a water reservoir remains optimal. Back to the studio.
Thank you, Alif. Viewers, let's continue to join our reporter Dara Cantika Iskandar at
Alright, good morning everyone. My name is Dara Santika Iskandar and I at Senior High School 2 Clary, located near Lake Puri. I will talk directly with one of the students to ask their opinion about the cleanup of Lake Puri. Okay, I'm here with Sukran and the first question, do you often pass by lakes?
Ya, saya sering lewat Danau Puri karena emang saya datangnya dari arah sana, rumah saya.
Next, what is your impression of the lake that you often pass by?
Kesannya, saya ketika lewat situ tuh kadang nyium bau dari pasar. Cuma terus kadang juga bau dari got itu juga kadang ganggu.
Okay, the last one, what do you think when the lake is cleaned?
Pendapat saya tentang danau itu ketika sudah dibersihkan yaitu jadi terlihat airnya, karena sebelumnya penuh sama eceng gondok, jadi airnya nggak kelihatan, bahkan orang nggak tahu kalau itu danau.
Thank you, Sukran. That's the report from Senior High School 2 Clary, and back to the studio.
Now that the dredging process at Lake Puri is complete, residents hope that the lake will remain clear, reducing the risk of flooding and maintaining a comfortable environment. The improvement demonstrates the importance of cooperation between the government and the community in maintaining public facilities. That is all the information we can convey. I'm Lula Nakalzakova. See you in the next news report.